Today we're going to look at vowel team OE. When two vowels go walking, the first usually does all the talking, and he usually says his name. That means the second vowel doesn't say anything. The first one in this instance is going to say O, O. Because this is a magic E vowel, that means that there is a consonant in between them. So it's still a vowel team, it just has one consonant in the middle. Are you ready to practice some words? Okay, let's begin. All right, this is vowel team OE. It's one vowel sound, and the vowel sound is O. E is silent. Let's sound out the word. Joke. Good. Let's sound it out again. Joke. Good. Say it fast. Joke. Say it fast. Joke. Yes, he told me a funny joke. Let's try another one. You ready? This is vowel team OE. That means E is silent and O says O. Let's sound out this word. Bone. Let's sound it out again. Bone. Let's say it fast. Bone. Good. Say it fast. Bone. Yes, I like to give my dog a bone every night. Here's another word. It's vowel team OE. E is silent and O says O. He says his name. Let's sound it out. Home. Good. Let's do that again. Home. Very good. Let's say it fast. Home. Say it fast. Home. Yes. I like to go home at the end of the day to give my dog a bone, right? Okay. This is vowel team OE. E is silent and O says O. He says his name. Let's sound out this word. Robe. Good, let's try that again. Robe. Good, say it fast. Robe. Good, say it fast. Robe. Yes, I have a pink bathrobe. Good job. Let's try this OE vowel team in still one vowel sound, O, because E is silent. They're a team. E is making O say his name. O. You ready? Let's sound out the word. Drove. Good. Let's sound that out again. Ready? Drove. Very good. Now say it fast. Drove. Say it fast. Drove. He drove the car through the snow. Drove. Very good. Let's try another one with a blend at the beginning. This is a consonant blend, GL. And then we have our vowel team, OE, meaning O says his name, and E is silent. He doesn't say anything. Let's sound this out. Are we ready? Globe. Good. Let's try that again. Globe. Good. Let's say it fast. Globe. Very good. Do it again. Globe. Yes, we have a globe in the classroom. That's a model of the earth. Now, let's do a two-syllable word with our OE vowel team. Our first syllable does have a vowel. Every syllable has to have a vowel, right? They have to have a vowel sound. This one's all alone. It's a closed vowel, and it says ah. But this vowel is a vowel team. So the E is silent and O says his name. So let's sound out our word. Are you ready? Trombone. Good. Let's sound that out again. Ready? Trombone. Good. Let's try to say them fast. Syllable 1. Ready? Trom. And say this one fast. Bone. Oh, let's do it again. Ready? Trombone. Oh, that's the word trombone. That's an instrument in a band, a trombone. Good job with vowel team OE, which of course has a consonant in the middle when it's the magic E vowel team.